Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at Creators Theory. In today's video, we will see how to recreate the walk style highlighter, text highlighter effect in Filmora. I had seen this text highlighter effect in Vox video, so we will be trying to recreate this in Filmora. But before starting this tutorial, if you don't have the latest version of Filmora, then make sure you download it from the link in the description below. And if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to our channel for more Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, I've already added the media in the bin. So this media is a screen recording of one of the articles from the Vox website itself. So as you can see, this is a screen recording of the article, and here I scroll this article to a certain point, and in this point there is a part which I will be zooming in, and then I will be highlighting some part of this paragraph. So what I will do, once I've added into the timeline, I will just cut out the unnecessary part of this video. So let's just start with this, and here you can see the scrolling begins. So the scrolling stops after some time, so that I understand this is the part. So when it stops, what I will do, I will just right click over here and click on add freeze frame. So this will create a freeze frame for some seconds. So going into the first frame of this freeze frame, I will click on snapshot from this camera icon over here. So once I click on snapshot, a snapshot will appear over here. So we'll be adding the snapshot about this video screen recording video of the article. But what we'll do, between this screen recording article video and the snapshot, there will be another blank sample color which we'll be adding. So we will understand that a little later why we are using that. So the first thing we will do, will be trying to fit this, cut out this. As you can see, this is a snapshot. So let me just click on it, and if I drag this down, there is a video behind. So what I need to do is I need to cut the part of the article which I want to zoom in. So what I will do, I will go into crop, select this snapshot, go into crop, and here I will crop that part of the article which I want to zoom into. So I will just make sure you are able to identify which part you want to add into the article. So this is the part of the article which I want to zoom out, and then I will be highlighting some part of the text from this paragraph. So let's click on OK. So as you can see, this is a zoomed part, but I want the animation to happen where this part zooms in from that article. So what I will do, again I will go into the first frame and I will decrease the size of this snapshot, and I will try to align it exactly with this article part over here. So if you see, we're trying to align it. Just as you can see, now we are not able to differentiate between the snapshot and the screen recording. So what we'll do, as you can see over here, and once this is done, what we'll do, we'll go into sample colors and look out for a black sample color, and we'll add this in between the freeze frame and the snapshot. So when this comes, as you can see, the screen glows black. So from this point, we want the background to be a little blur and this part to zoom in. So we'll go into the first frame of the sample color, right click on it and click on add animation. We'll add an animation, and here we'll decrease the opacity to around 60%. So as you can see, this is 60% opacity. Click on OK. Then we'll click on the snapshot, and now from here we want the snapshot to be zoomed in. So what we'll do, again we'll right click on add animation, click add over here, go a few frames ahead, and here what we'll do, we'll scale this part of this snapshot and then position it into the center. So this will give a zoom in effect. If you click on OK, you will be able to see a zoom in effect from this article. As you can see that effect. Now what we'll do from here on, after this is zoomed in, we want the highlighting of the text to begin. So what we'll do, again we'll go into the titles. Here we'll go into this, we will take a basic title and we'll add this after the animation has end. As you can see, this is the keyframe over here, and after this keyframe ends, I will add this text, and then I will double click on it and delete all the text from it, and then go into the advanced. So here you can see caption. So this is basically the text part that we deleted. So before deleting rest, just add a shape. I'll be adding this square over here, and then I will delete this caption because I don't need the text. I'll also delete the text from inside this shape, and I will reshape this shape to highlighting style. So we'll place it over here, and then we'll go into, as you can see, even the color is of yellow. So if you want to change this color to any other color, you can go into the customize option, and below you will see a shape fill color. So you can change the color from here and increase and decrease the opacity as per your need. So opacity, have kept it over around 50%, and the color is yellow color, slightly tint of yellow, which is like a highlighting color. So once this is done, we'll go into animation, and from animation we will select the erase animation. So as you can see, the erase style highlighting style effect it gives, but in this animation we'll remove the outro. We don't want the highlighting to go away, we want it to stay after the highlighting takes place. So once this is done, we will add I will try to highlight this line of text below as well. So we'll go again to the start of this video, we'll add another rectangle shape, and we'll remove this text, and again we will size this and place it. Let me just adjust this, and we'll place in the line below, and let's highlight this completely. So as you can see, this above rectangle one is the one that we created, new one. So again we will add a erase transition, but here what we'll do, we want first this line to be highlighted and then the animation of this line to start. So what I will do, after the animation of the first one ends, which is over here, I will start the second box highlighting to begin. So, and then I will decrease the highlighting of this, increase this, and let's just click on OK and check the highlighting part. Let's click on OK. Let's just, so as you can see, the complete animation takes place. So that's a simple tutorial I wanted to create. So that's it guys with this video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more such videos from Filmora, related to Filmora, trying to recreate amazing effects in Filmora, then make sure you subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.